In this problem, we're told that the endpoints of the diameter of the circle are -7, 3, and 3, -5, and we're going to find the equation of the circle. So let's start by finding the center, and to do that, we can use the midpoint formula. So we add the x-coordinates together and divide by 2, -7 plus 3 divided by 2, and we add the y-coordinates together and divide by 2, -5 plus 3 divided by 2. And then we simplify. So that would be -4 halves, -2 halves. So we have -2, -1 for the center. Let's see if that makes sense for what we have sketched. That seems logical. Okay, now we need to find the radius. And there are several ways we can do that. I'm just going to choose one method. I'm going to use the point -2, -1, the center point. And I'm going to use the point 3, -5, one of the endpoints on the diameter, and I'm going to find the distance using the distance formula. So we have the square root of the change in x-coordinates, -2 minus 3, quantity squared, plus the change in y-coordinates, -5 minus -1, quantity squared. And we're going to simplify that. -5 squared is 25, and -4 squared is 16. 25 plus 16 is 41, so the radius is the square root of 41. Okay, so now that we have those two pieces of information, let's put them together into the equation of a circle. Here's the equation in center radius form, where HK represents the center and R represents the radius. So we're going to substitute -2 in for H, -1 in for K, and square root 41 in for R. So we have x minus -2, quantity squared, plus y minus -1, quantity squared, equals square root 41 squared. And then let's just simplify it, and we'll have our answer. X plus 2 quantity squared plus y plus 1 quantity squared equals 41.